Hi, I'm Teri Lott, and this is my version of the folktale The Three Sneezes, which comes from North Europe. Arnold and Martha Jane had been married for a long time. He made a good wage and he loved Martha Jane. So everything should be butterflies and rainbows, right? Well, the problem was that Arnold was a hypochondriac and he was hard to live with. But it was even more difficult for the town doctor, Doc Miller. For Arnold was in his office every week with some malady or another. And what made it worse? Before he left each time, Arnold would ask Doc Miller when he was going to die. And Doc Miller would say, Arnold, you're a healthy man. You're going to live to be 80 or 90. But Doc Miller got tired of the question. And so finally, on one of Arnold's office visits, he said, Arnold, when you sneeze 3 times in one day. And Arnold said, I should come to you right away. No, you won't need to. Oh, I understand. Thank you so much, doctor. And Arnold left. He was both terrified and excited at the same time. He finally had the answer to his question. Well, he rushed through the house and found his wife, Martha Jane, in the backyard. It was spring cleaning time, and she had the rugs hanging up and was beating the dust out of them to an inch of their lives. And that dust filled the air. And Arnold went over to Martha Jane and said, I have some, oh, that's one. And Martha Jane wasn't really paying attention. And she said, Arnold, if you would like bread tomorrow, you need to go to the miller's and buy a sack of flour. I haven't had time today. Arnold just shook his head and left. Off he went to the miller's. You know what they do there, right? They grind wheat to make flour. And when Arnold walked into the building, there was all this flour dust going through the air. He went over to the miller and he said, I need, ha, choo! Oh no, that's 2. And he turned and rushed out. Where could he get some fresh, clean air? The park. That's where Arnold headed. And the air was so pleasant. He kept breathing it in, clearing all that dust out of his nose and sinuses. And then he saw some new spring flowers that had popped out of the ground. And without thinking, he bent over and took a deep breath. Oh no, he said. Choo! That's 3. I'm dead. And he laid down on the ground, closed his eyes, and crossed his hands over his chest. Well, the afternoon went on. It was evening. Arnold didn't come home for supper. He always came home for supper. Martha Jane was concerned. So she lit a lantern and she started out of the house. Some neighbors saw her and asked her what the problem was. And when she explained, they all went and got lanterns. And soon, throughout all the streets in town, you could hear, Arnold, Arnold, Arnold. 2 men stumbled across Arnold. Oh no, they said. Martha Jane is going to be so upset. But how are we going to carry him home? One of the men thought of the miller's that was close by. He said, I think he'll loan us a ladder. And he did. And he came to help. Well, they carefully put Arnold onto that ladder and they lifted that ladder up onto their shoulders. Now, there were 2 paths to Arnold's house. One was smooth, but took a lot longer. The other one went downhill over rocky terrain. And that's the path that the men started down. And the ladder was shaking and Arnold was bouncing around and he sat up and he said, hey, how come you guys are taking me home this way? And the men went, ah, and dropped the ladder. They ran. They took off. Arnold was a bit winded, I have to say, from the fall. And that's how Martha Jane found him. She had heard all of the commotion and followed the sound. She looked down at her husband laying there and she said, I cannot believe the lengths you will go to just to get out of buying me a sack of flour. And that's the story of the 3 sneezes. Thank you for listening. I'm Teri Lott.